Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, May the 14th, 2024. I've here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. And those puzzles, we have 7 extra puzzles in additional of Tuesday. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. Last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But right now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, I've heard the invasion is started. The invasion of tanks, Israeli tanks in Rafah, yeah. The ground offensive will start in Rafah. So not good news. And the poor people need to move to the north, I believe, yeah. And one story about food, yeah, they throw the food of the Palestinians on the ground by the soldiers, so yeah, the people are starving. Number 8529, this will be, yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26, no, correction, 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 28. So I think it's a 0 stars puzzle. 0 stars need to be faster than 13 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number. How about a 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row? So in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. Okay, let's continue with the 2. How about the number? Let me see. The 5 in the first column, the 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left, the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left, the 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. Okay, cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. How about 8, 8? Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 in these 2 boxes. 9 in the last row. No 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with a 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Not true. We have a 9 in the third column, the 9 in the second column. So in the first column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. We see a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 9, I believe. Yeah. Need to wait. How about the 1? Nope. How about the 1? How about the 2 then? We have a pair, the 1 and the 2 in the third column, the 1 and the 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1, okay. Well, the 2, need a 2 there. Need a 2 there, okay. Need a, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there in the first column. Here or there, we see another 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 8 in the third row. 8 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so the last column, the only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the row below, no 8 there. The only place left for 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with 8 now. I need to wait. 1. Okay. Then. How about 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. We have a pair 6 and 8 in this column, 6 and 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between only place left for 6 should be there. And we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Alright. Then, how about, 1, yeah. 147. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1. Oh, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. We have 1 in the middle column, no. In the column next, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And no. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Alright, 1 number left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. Then, let me see. Need a 5 here. I need a 5 there. And I need a 5 there. How about need a 3 and then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 to 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, the 8 and 9 is missing. 3, 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 to 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 4 cannot fill this yet. 7 and 4. Alright. Here also 7 and a 4. 7, 4, and I need a 3 here. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, same numbers as those. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7. Here we have a pair, 4 and a 7. 4, 7, and need a 5 there. Okay, here 4 and the 7 are missing in the third column. We have a 7 now in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 7 and the 4. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 or a 7. We have a 4 already. So this box should be a 7. So 2 numbers left. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, and 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left, and 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 5. 1 box left in this row. First row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Alright. 3. 7 and the 6. Wow. 7, 6. I'm thinking. 4, 4. So I need the 4 there. Yeah. Well, 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. Here can be 4. We have 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 and 6. 7 and 6. Okay. Now, how about 9 in the last row? 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Do we have all the 9s? And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 9. Right, 1 number left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row, last row, 3 in the row above. So on that row, the only place level 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is 6, number 3. So 3 numbers left. 7, 4, and 6 are left. Here 4, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, and the 4 are missing. 7, 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 6, 6. Here should be the 6. 7 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. So that box should be a 6. This box should be a 7. 7 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third row. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left. 4, 6. This should be a 7. 7 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Told you. 0 stars. Need 14 or 30 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.